Hi, today I am going to show you how you can create a beautiful contact form like this with Elementor Pro. To get this, you will need Elementor Pro plugin. So let's get started. So I have two columns here. One is empty. Now let's style it. So this thing is linked. So if I change a thing from here, it will affect all the way. Like if I give 10, it will show 10 for all the fields. So I will delink this. First I will add a contents. Now let's edit the column. So I will give margin right 40 and padding will be 60, 35 from right, from bottom 60 and 35 from left. Now I will add box shadow. Come to style and border and box shadow. Let's copy a color code. Now this horizontal will be 0 and vertical will be 10 and blur will be 50 and everything is 0. So you can see that there is already a box shadow is been created here. Now let me style this. Click here, then come to style and change the color to 000. It's black. Now its font family will be Poppins and size will be 35 and I will give line height 1.2 m. Now come here and search for font plugin and drag and drop here. Now you can see there are a lot of type here like email, text area, URL, telephone, radio. Radio is like radio button. See, select, you can select this. Number, date, you can choose date. And file upload, you can upload file. And password, HTML and reCAPTCHA. So these are the fields. Now I will add my fields. The field type will be text. I will give this name. Now you can choose it will be required or not. I'll give it required. Now I'm going to add another field. It will be email. Placeholder will be email too. Now you can decide its width. I will give column width 50 and email column width also will be 50. So it is in the same line. Now I will add number. It is text type, so we don't need to create another one. We just copy this. Now number fields. Okay, copy this and paste here. It will be 100%. Now I am going to add text area, so it will carry the message. Ctrl A, Ctrl C. Okay, it will be required. And rows I can give 8 is fine. Now come here, input size. It can be bigger like this. So I will give small. Yes, small is fine. And you can decide whether you want to show label or not. So I will hide the label for this video. And the buttons, yes, you can also decide the size of the button. This I'll give it medium, and you can align the button like this. There are more settings for button in the style section. I will give it justified so it takes all the weight. Now in the email, you can decide where is the email will go if a person submits the form, and it is for multi-step. It's not gonna, now let's style this form. So here we can see the column gap. We can increase the column gap. Column are this thing, name and field, these are columns. And we can also change the rows gap. I will give this 36. And label, we already hide the label, but you can also style this in Elementor Pro. Now we can also style fields. Let's change the color of fields. Like if I write something, it will be black color. And typography, let's not change it. And background color, I will add a background color. First I will remove the border width. Now let's copy this background color. Yeah, looking very good. Now I will edit the background color of the button. Let's add this background color. It will be 00539E. So I think that's pretty much it. It's looking very good. And the text padding we don't need here because it is justified. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment how is this video, and I will add more video related to Elementor and Elementor Pro. Also I will add videos like for WordPress and other stuffs. Thank you for watching.